Why is it that some brands reach massive success and others don't? I've been reflecting about this for years, and I think I just figured it out. And it's very different from what I had said in some of my older videos on this very topic. My name is Andrei Mincov. I'm the founder of Trademark Factory, and in this video, I'm going to share 4 things you need to have for your brand to become successful.
Get it trademarked with Trademark Factory.
Okay, so here are the 4 things your brand must be to be truly successful. As long as your brand has these 4 not so secret ingredients that I'm going to share with you in a moment, you will have a powerful brand that will help you grow your business. And these 4 ingredients that make up a great brand are not what most people think they are. We refer to them as J.U.M.P Brands. And it's not just some cute acronym. It's not just because I like the song Jump from Van Halen. This stuff checks out on every single successful brand there ever was or ever will be. If even one of these 4 components is missing, you're in trouble, no matter how much you spend on your marketing. If even one of these components is missing, it means your brand is not really working for you. Worse yet, it may be working for your competitors. Now let me quickly unfold this for you, and then I'm going to show you some examples. Juicy simply means that the brand means something to you. It gets you excited. It evokes an emotion in you, and hopefully that emotion is felt by your target market as well. To put it simply, nobody's going to love your brand more than you love it. There's no better illustration for this than this photo of Jeff Bezos in 1999. Just look at this pathetic office. A crappy desk with some old-ass monitor. I'm sure most of you watching this video have a better workplace than Jeff used to have 20 years ago. And of course, the centerpiece, the handwritten sign that says Amazon.com, is the most inspirational part of the story. Jeff could have had some graphs on the wall, a whiteboard with to-dos, all sorts of stuff. He chose to place his brand there to inspire him. If that is not juicy, I don't know what is. All right, so that's J. Now U stands for unique. You cannot succeed in business unless you stand out from the crowd of everyone else who does the same thing. Think of the armies of realtors, mortgage brokers, digital marketers, and life coaches you meet at networking events. Most of them say the same platitudes as everyone else. And guess what? Most of them are broke because they don't have anything that makes them different from other realtors, mortgage brokers, digital marketers, and life coaches, because they don't stand out from the crowd. And guess what? Let me tell you a secret. To stand out from the crowd, you don't need to be different. You need to be perceived as being different. Which is why sometimes having a brand that makes you different from everyone else is the only thing you need to stand out from the crowd. Different is better than good. Unique is better than great. Unique beats great every time. Now think about this. There's nothing inherently great about the word Apple used as a brand name for a computer company. Now, Steve Jobs could have gone with orange or tomato, and it would probably still become a brand worth over $300 billion. It's just to Steve, Apple was more juicy than any other brand. Apple was the brand that meant something to him, while orange and tomato, not so much. And no, I didn't just randomly use $300 billion. The Apple brand not their phones, not their computers, not their stores, just the brand alone, is valued at $309 billion today. So it's not about great names, it's about unique names that become great over time. It's their uniqueness that makes them so valuable. Okay, moving on to M in J.U.M.P. M stands for memorable. And I don't mean memorable to you. I mean memorable to your target market. If nobody can remember your brand, it means they can't share it with their friends. If nobody can remember your brand, it's as good as not having one at all. Now, before Nike rebranded into Nike, they used to be called Blue Ribbon Sports. Not a very memorable name, is it? Now, they made a whopping $8,000 in their first year. It's not a horrible name, but it wasn't really working for them. Not very juicy, not very unique, not very memorable. It was a meh brand. And they had meh results until they became Nike. And then everything changed. And finally, letter P in J.U.M.P. stands for protected. There's no reason in the world to spend a minute of your life or a dollar out of your pocket building a brand you don't own. A brand that's not really yours. A brand you cannot monetize. A brand you can't sell. A brand that someone can take away from you like this. And the only way to protect a brand is to trademark it. Registering an LLC or incorporating your company is not gonna protect your brand. Registering a .com is not gonna protect your brand. Placing a TM next to your brand is not gonna protect your brand. You can't protect your brand with copyright. You can't protect your brand by claiming that you came up with the idea first. You can't protect your brand by being in business for 25 years. The only way to actually own your juicy, unique, and memorable brand is to register it as a trademark. And that's what every successful business does really early on. So we've gone through some examples here, and let me give you a little bit more. Nike became Nike in 1971. That was the year when they filed their first trademark for Nike and the swoosh, and they got them registered right away. Today, Nike is $47 billion. Not the company, just the brand itself. Not the sneakers, not the shirts, just the brand. Remember Apple filed their first trademark for Apple and the Apple logo pretty much as soon as they were started. Today, it's worth $309 billion. Now remember the picture of Jeff Bezos in his crappy office. That picture was taken in 1999. I remember that sign on the wall. Yep. Remember what else he had in 1999? 2 trademark registrations. One for Amazon.com and the other one for Amazon.com books. He filed his first trademark in 1995, 4 years before that picture was taken. If there is a lesson, that's it. So there you have it. If you want to build a successful brand, your brand must jump. You must love your juicy brand. This one we cannot help you with. If the brand does not resonate with you, go back to the drawing board and come up with something that makes you go all in with your business. Something that inspires you. Because if it doesn't, what will? Your brand must be unique and memorable. And how will you know if it's unique? Well, you need to see what's out there on the market. And you need to have someone conduct a thorough trademark search. You don't want to end up in a situation when somebody already owns what you thought was your unique brand, right? Because if someone already owns it, it's kind of no longer unique to you, is it? And you need to protect your brand through trademarking. Trademark Factory has helped thousands of brand owners build their successful brands. And we can help you. Risk-free, guaranteed, anywhere. If you have a juicy brand and a business you're passionate about, you've already done all the heavy lifting. You've done the hard part. You've done the hard work. We can help you take care of the rest. All our packages come with a comprehensive trademark search. This means that if the juicy brand you came up with, for one reason or another, is not very trademarkable, is not really unique, then you can get all your money back, or you can do what most of our clients do in these situations. You can work with us until you pick a different brand you love that we tell you is trademarkable, and we'll just go with that. And by the way, all these additional trademark searches are not going to cost you an extra dime. And with our all-inclusive package, what you pay us up front is what you pay us, period. One flat fee from start to finish, from filing to registration, with a 100% money-back guarantee if the trademark office issues a final refusal on your trademark application. Like I said, risk-free, guaranteed, anywhere. If you want to register your trademark in the US, or in Canada, or in Australia, or in the European Union, or pretty much anywhere else on the planet, we can help. Simply book a free call with our strategy advisors through our website at trademarkfactory.com, and we'll take it from there. Now, if you loved this video, please like it and make sure to subscribe. And if you think you've got a J.U.M.P brand, comment below. I want to hear from you. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.